Hi guys, this is a little quick tip and a little quick video to reset a garbage disposal. So let me show you guys what's going on. So when you're resetting the garbage disposal, this is a key. This key, you put it under here. There's a little knob in the middle here, you put it under here and you spin it. Spin him, turn him around until it get loose. Then you have a little reset button under here. If you can look under there, you have a little reset button, a red button. You click him up and you're good to go. Good to go. Yeah, running, good to go. Free and nice. Thank you for watching.